Okay, hello guys, this is MacElbs from Online Ascenso. Today, i-share ko sa inyo yung program na tumutulong sa akin na makapag-generate ng extra income online. Okay, so itong program na to is Easy One Up po. So, nakakatuwa lang kasi today, sorry medyo bagong gising ako. Nakakatuwa lang kasi when I open my email, yung Gmail ko, may sales na pumasok sa akin. Actually, it was a $500 po. Nakakatuwa at saka medyo nakaka-excite. So, share ko lang sa inyo to. Okay, very quick lang po. So, ito yung program Easy One Apps and try nga natin mag-login sa back office nito kung whether sa akin nga tala itong back office na Easy One App. Okay, so ito yung pinaka back office ng Easy One App. Okay, so totoo ba na kumita ko ng $500 today? Okay, so as I have said, sa Gmail ko, may receive ako na Gmail from the program Easy One App. So, check pa natin yan kung totoo ba. So, dito, makikita nyo, 3:06 p.m., which is today, yung date na today. So, refresh natin, just to make sure na hindi ito edited. Okay, so yun na nga, 3:06 p.m. So, today, hello MacElbs, you have received a Powerline payment amount of $500. So, yun, medyo nakakatuwa. So, guys, $500 in one day. So, imagine that. Diba? So, by just doing online, kumikita kayo ng ganitong amount. So, if you ask me kung legit ba tong Easy One App, I can guarantee you that this is 100% legit po kasi this is a affiliate program po, and yung founder nito and creator of this program is a well-known marketer in the USA, sa United States po. Okay, so I've joined this program about 6 to 8 months ago, and during that very first month din, kumita na rin ako dito. Then after that, I've stopped a few months kasi I'm focusing on some programs din po, and I'm affiliated with other programs and gumagawa rin ng mga tutorials sa mga programs na affiliated ako. So, today, $500 is kung if we try to convert that into peso, so yung kinita ko into peso is, wow, tumataginting na 25,000 pesos po in just one day na kitaan. So, parang magagawa ng $500 or 25,000 pesos sa inyo in one day or maybe in a month, di ba? So, napakalaking tulong to para sa atin. For me na lang is I'm working as OFW and I'm just doing online. Itong mga online programs na to as my part-time income or part-time job at the same time. So, if we total up, kasi ang total income ko dito as of now, kung dati sa my earnings. Okay guys, total earnings ko po is nasa $4,250 po. So, if we calculate that, 4,250. So, almost 213,000 pesos po yung total income ko sa program na ito, Easy One App. So, napakalaking tulong na po ito on my sa buhay ko at saka sa buhay ng pamilya ko. Okay, so generating an extra income online for almost 213,000 pesos, napakalaking bagay na po sa atin yan. Yung iba dyan sa Pinas, nagpapakanda hirap pa sa isang araw para kumita, bilad sa araw, pagod, sinesend mo na ng boss. Pero dito, we can make it happen po. In just one day, posible na kumita tayo ng around $100 to $500 in one day po. Okay? There's no hype po. There's no hype. My results is not typical. So, I'm just telling you po na potential po tayo na kumita online. And this program, I can guarantee po na legit po to. Hindi po to yung some kind of pyramiding scheme or HYIP, yung mag-invest ka. Hindi po to ganito. So, ang main program kasi, ang main products po kasi yung program na Easy One App is more on digital products, info products, at mga training. So, they will teach you how to become a successful entrepreneur gamit ang internet or online. Regardless you're doing an online or offline business, they will teach you the proper way po. So, ito po. So, for the past, itong buwan pa lang, itong buwan na March, kung ito total natin yung income ko from March 10 up to now, today it's March 27. So, kung i-add on natin to lahat, 500, 500, 500, 500, and itong $25. So, dito 25,000 na to, dalawang amount na na-receive ko na $25. As you can see, naka-enclose na 2. So, ibig sabihin, $50 to on that day na na-receive ko na commission. So, total niyan, 500, 500, 500, 500 is 2,050 for the past, let's say, 2 weeks. So, in 2 weeks, 2,050, if we calculate that, i-convert natin into peso, so, nasa 100,000 na po yung kinita ko in 2 weeks or less than a month po. So, malaking bagay na po to sa akin. So, as what I've said po, yung iba nagpapakanda hirap sa Pinas na magtrabaho, bilad sa araw, 8 to 9 or 8 to 10 hours a day yung tinatrabaho nila. Pero dito, gamit ang online, posible tayo kumita na more than what we're earning sa sahod natin. And that is really possible po. Okay, so ito po yung total income ko po at saka ito po yung mismong dashboard ko at saka back office. So yun po. So if you have any more questions po, you can just message me in my Facebook. I will be leaving a link below this video if you're watching on YouTube. Okay, so may update din ako yung previous na video na ginawa ko, yung 3,750 na total earnings. If you like po, you can check it out. Subscribe to my channel para updated po kayo sa mga itong program na to at gumagawa rin ako ng mga trainings, tips, and advice about online po. Okay, on how to become successful po or at least ma-improve tsaka kumita tayo online. Okay, so yun lang po guys. Kung may mga tanong kayo about this program, okay, feel free to reach out to me in Facebook po. Okay, just check the link below in this video po. Okay guys, so I will not make use of your time. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. See you guys.